Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to return Caraway order. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing I want to tell you, you can return your product only if you have purchased the product on their official website like caraway.com. okay, if you have purchased product from other website, then you are not able to return your product on Caraway. Okay, so the first thing I want to tell you, like they have provided like 30 days return policy, and you can return your product within 30 days if you are not satisfying with their product. But this is a very rare case, and you can return your product very easily. You need to type on Google like Caraway return portal, and once you click on Caraway return portal, you will get these kind of results. You need to click on the first one result. This one is, or you can say the Caraway home return, and once you click on this one, it will redirect you to a new window. On this window you need to enter your order number. Your order number you will get in your mail ID, or you will get in your account. You need to log in into your account. You will get your order number, and you need to click enter your shipping code, or you can enter your email address. And after filling these details, you need to click on get started, and you need to follow the prompts, and by using these prompts you can also return your product very easily. Okay, and if you're facing any issue, you are not getting any kind of help which is related to return, then in that case you can contact with their customer support team, help@carawayhome.com. okay, and you need to send the message like you want to return your product. They will send you instant reply, and they will guide you how you can return your product very easily. Okay, so this is the method by which you can return your product, and if you're facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye.